everybody. I have been doing cup song for like an hour and just making videos of it. So I think I'm gonna like go as much as I can. I'm not gonna go as fast as I can because then it doesn't sound good. It sounds like, and that didn't sound right? So if you, yeah, that sounded better. I'll do it with various cups. 2 cups, 3 cups. I'll do it with 3 cups. I can't do it with that one. I'll do the Pepsi cup. So tell me which one you think sounds better. This or which one? The first one or the second one? This first one I hit the cup, the second one I didn't. So well, that flew. Okay, so tell me which one you think is best. Hit the top of the cup or just hit the floor. And yeah.